Good morning, families and friends. My topic for today is Do You See? Lessons from John 9. In John 9, Jesus heals a man who was born blind. But the real miracle isn't just that his eyes open, it's that his heart does. See, after the healing, Jesus makes a startling statement. I came into this world so that those who do not see may see, and that those who see may be made blind. John 9:39. See, at first that sounds upside down. Why would Jesus make anyone blind? Here's the point. See, the man who was blind knew he needed help. He had nothing to defend, nothing to prove. See, when Jesus Christ touched his eyes, he received not only sight, but truth. Friends, his faith grew step by step until he stood boldly for Christ, even when it cost him his place in the community. However, the Pharisees were different. They believed they already saw clearly. They trusted their knowledge, their titles, their certainty, and because they refused to admit any blindness, they could not receive sight. And that's the danger Jesus exposes. Spiritual blindness is not the absence of religion. It's the refusal to be corrected. Spiritual sight begins with humility. See, applied to our lives, John 9 asks us an uncomfortable question. Am I coming to Jesus as someone who needs to see, or as someone who thinks they already do? See, friends, when God challenges our assumptions, when the truth disrupts our comfort, when Jesus asks us to change, do we resist or do we receive? Friends, the lesson is simple but powerful. Those who admit their blindness are the ones who truly see, and those who cling to certainty may miss Christ standing right in front of them. So the question today is not, do you see? But the real question is, are you willing to let Jesus show you what you cannot see on your own? God bless.